Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that has received so much hype in the recent times in the skincare community. So I just had to purchase one and test it out for a few weeks and tell you my thoughts on it. So here goes nothing. But before that, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video if you liked it, and please comment down below any queries that you may have after watching the video. So yeah, let's get right into it. We have all struggled to find a moisturizer that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. And many of us want barrier reinforcing ingredients in our moisturizers, but when we do find a moisturizer that has barrier reinforcing ingredients, we see that they are a bit too heavy for oily, acne prone skin, and also for those who live in hot, humid climates. When we opt for gel based moisturizers, they turn out to be hydrating but not moisturizing enough. Those with dry, acne prone skin often end up with moisturizers that have a very thick, heavy consistency, and they have comedogenic ingredients, and it's just a nightmare. Now I'll be honest with you, I tend to prefer Korean moisturizers more because some of them have all the components that I believe should be there in the moisturizer. But the drawback with that is that most of the moisturizers, they cost more than 1000 rupees per bottle, and I feel like that's a bit too expensive for a student like me. So I was in search of a good moisturizer from an Indian brand that is also affordable. That's when I came across this moisturizer called the Formula RX Barrier Relief Gel Cream Moisturizer. Now Formula RX is a very new brand in the Indian skincare industry. This moisturizer was hyped up so much in the skincare community that I just wanted to see if the hype was real. I will first tell you what my idea of a good moisturizer is, and then we'll see if this moisturizer meets all the conditions. So let's get right into it. Some of the characteristics that I think a good moisturizer should have are: 1, it should have humectants. So what humectants basically do is they draw water from the environment to the topmost layer of the skin, that is the epidermis. It should have emollients to help fill in any cracks in the epidermis and seal in the moisture. It should have occlusives to form a protective barrier over the skin to help prevent moisture loss, and if the moisturizer does not have occlusives, it should have emollients that have occlusive properties. It should be non-comedogenic, which means that it should not clog pores. It should also not have fragrance because fragrance may not suit sensitive skin types. Now, a good moisturizer should not have too many active ingredients like AHAs, BHAs and retinols because that may trouble delicate skin. There shouldn't be too much concentration of steroidal ingredients in moisturizers because when you overuse creams with such ingredients, your skin becomes very thin and it can lead to other skin problems. I personally do not prefer having urea or lactic acid in any of my moisturizers because I feel like these two ingredients, they tend to aggravate existing skin irritations. I believe that moisturizers should be lightweight and fast absorbing and shouldn't leave a greasy, sort of sticky afterfeel. Brownie points for having anti-irritants that heal and soothe the skin. And I also like having antioxidants in my moisturizer because they help fight free radicals, and what they do is they help brighten, revitalize, smooth and refine the appearance of your skin. It should have barrier reinforcing properties and it shouldn't make my skin look oily and dull a few hours after applying it. It should not have alcohols that have a low molecular weight that can be drying and sensitizing for the skin, like denatured alcohol. Now, I believe that a moisturizer should both hydrate and moisturize. They should not come in an unhygienic tub packaging and they should be affordable. So this is my criteria for a good moisturizer. Guess what, guys? This moisturizer meets all the above conditions. It has humectants like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. It has emollients like caprylic triglyceride. It has emollients with occlusive properties, and it is devoid of fragrance, essential oils, and of course it is free of comedogenic ingredients. Now this moisturizer, it does not contain a lot of active ingredients. It is devoid of harmful alcohols. It does not have urea, lactic acid or steroidal ingredients. Its texture is somewhere between a gel and an emulsion, and it gets absorbed into the skin beautifully. Now this moisturizer, it does not have a greasy afterfeel and it does not make my skin look dull. The best part is it did not break out my oily acne prone skin. I have very sensitive sensitive skin. It didn't break me out even once. It has anti-irritants like colloidal oatmeal and allantoin, which soothe and heal the skin. It also has the skincare superstar niacinamide, which helps in improving barrier function and also helps in making the skin more even toned. This moisturizer boosts the skin's protective barrier and keeps skin hydrated and supple, as it has ceramide complex, cholesterol and free fatty acids. It is a moisturizer fit for everyone, even the most sensitive skin types. It has a very hygienic tube packaging, which is 100% recyclable. Overall, this moisturizer is a keeper and is undoubtedly my holy grail moisturizer now. It is relatively affordable at 700 rupees, keeping in mind the quality of the ingredients. I highly recommend it. You can use my code Tirtha10 to get 10% off. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not being paid to do this video. The brand did not send the product to me for review. I bought this product with my own money and I've been testing it out for a few weeks now. And it is after a lot of thought that I'm giving this review. So yeah, that's all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys the next time. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, and if you have any queries, please leave it in the comments down below. So yeah, bye guys.